To reboot the BMW CIC navigation system, you need to press and hold volume button for about 10 or 15 seconds. This reboot can be useful if your navigation screen freezes or if you changed something in your navigation coding that requires a reboot of your system. As you can see, the display is off right now and the system is starting again. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.